Ollama, a powerful tool that lets you run AI models locally on your machine. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Ollama, run multiple models, use its API, and customize your own models. So stick around till the end and let's get started. So first, let's discuss what is Ollama and why it's useful. Ollama is an open source framework that allows you to run large language models on your local machine. Unlike cloud-based AI tools, Ollama provides offline access, privacy, and faster interference without relying on an internet connection. With help of Ollama, we can integrate powerful AI capabilities directly into our application. Let's see how we can install Ollama. Head over to Ollama's official website and download the installer for your operating system. If you're using macOS or Linux, you can install it using this simple command. For Windows user, just run the installer and follow the prompts, and you're good to go. Once installed, you can start running AI models directly on your machine. Let's pull a model and run it. Open up your terminal and type Ollama, run name of the model. In this case, I'm using Tiny Llama model. So Ollama run Tiny Llama. This will download the Tiny Llama model and start an interactive chat. You can replace TinyLlama with other supported models like Mistral, CodeLlama, Llama 2, or any other models. Once downloaded, models can run fully offline. So in this example, let's say hi, and what is 1 plus 1? Type /pi to end the chat. You can load different models based on your needs. To see available models in your machine, type Ollama list. So in my computer, only TinyLlama is installed. If you want to install any other model, you can just type Ollama run then model name. Ollama comes with an API that allows you to integrate AI models into your application. To start the API server, simply run Ollama. So now you can send requests to this URL. If you are a Python developer, Ollama has a dedicated Python package. So you can install it using pip install Ollama. Then use it in your scripts like this. This lets you build powered apps with just a few lines of code. So if you want to fine-tune your models for your specific needs, Ollama allows you to create and modify models easily. Just create a model file with your own instructions and you're good to go. Here's an example. Then build your custom models using this command. So that's how you can customize AI models with Ollama. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you're building with Ollama. See you in the next video. Happy coding.